So most people solve this question like 7 divided by 7. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1, right? Then again 7 divided by 7. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have division, here division, and here division, and all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1 divided by 7 divided by 7, right? Now 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 upon 7 divided by 7. Now according to KCF rule, K means skip this first fraction 1 upon 7 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. Then F means flip this 7 is equal to 1 upon 7. Now 1 times 1, so 1 times 1 is equal to 1, right? And 7 times 7, so 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So the correct answer is 1 upon 49, right? If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe with the T Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.